Here's an example of how you can use just one block letter to make a word more interesting. So I'm starting out with the same technique I've used in all the other videos, and that's by starting with a yellow marker that will disappear, or you can do this in pencil and then erase it if you don't want it to show close up. Then I traced around the outside of that W to create my basic block letter. And in this one, I'm writing a word. So I wrote the word wavy, and I used a script handwriting for that. And I overlapped the last three letters of the word over that big block letter that I used for the first letter, the W. And then I'm creating a wavy edge on the block letter like I've done in the other videos about the wavy edge block letters. And in this one, because the wavy edge makes the block letter a little bit thicker, it makes the edge of the lines thicker, I wanted the rest of the word to stand out too. I wanted it to be a little bit more balanced. And so now I'm going back and I'm making parts of the letters of a little bit thicker. And you can see how I'm doing those. I'm just drawing over those. I'm using more of a straight edge for the Y. And I'm doing that because that's a technique I often use when I'm working very quickly. When you're working in front of people and in real time, the emphasis is more on the capturing the content and not so much the artistic quality of what you're creating. Not to say that the quality isn't good. You don't, of course you want your work to look good, but the emphasis really is on capturing things quickly, creating quickly. And this is one way that you can do that without spending a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of artistic experience or practice, really. Practice is very important though when you are working in front of people, but it doesn't take extensive drawing skills, and it still creates a very powerful effect. So this is just another way that you can use the wavy edge block letters, or you can take these techniques and apply them in different ways. Just get creative with it. So I hope that helps you with block letters, gives you some ideas and some inspiration so you can have fun and get creative yourself.